today we are going to draw a dog, my absolute second favorite animal. Let's go ahead and draw it. So, let's draw just the face. So we'll draw a line like that. And then down curve. Kind of make it all straight with lines and looks more realistic that way. And then do the snout, a big snout. And then we're not drawing this dog because this is a puppy, not a dog. So now we're going to draw the snout. Okay, like curve it off, erase the point, and then just give yourself a little curve. Right there, my dog's going to be opening its mouth. So it's going to be no, wait, not bark. Woof, woof. And then teeth. My dog has a really long tongue, so try to draw a really long tongue. Then he's always drooling. So there's some dog drool. Now here's the ear for you. So wobbly dog ear and eye. Like that.
I am a creepy dog.
No, you are not creepy. You are cute. Okay, got the cute dog eye. Now, I'll finish off the snout right there. And then neck and neck. Sorry, my pencil's kind of dull. So, collar or no? Or no collar? Collar, no collar. I don't want to do a collar because... Oh, and here is the nose. And fill it in. Then smudge it all together.
Smudge.
Okay, and there's your how to draw a dog. Hope you enjoyed the video.